money, make money, money, money.
Make money, money, make money, money, money. Money makes the world go round. I'm the talk around town. Remy gave me the sound.
Hey guys, I'm here with Ethan and Trevor, and they're going to tell us a little bit about welding and kind of what they do.
I feel like that's really hands-on, good career path. We're almost always in the shop.
Most of the time we're able to stay in the shop and out of the classroom. We get to use a lot of hands-on stuff with the oxygen acetylene torch. There's a lot of stuff we can do. It's a good class, you should check it out.
Byron Churchill, and I teach welding. Okay, it's intro welding. Okay, and in this welding class, they will learn how to do intro welding. They'll learn how to cut oxy. They'll also learn how to do prepping metal. Okay, they'll also do CNC cutting welding, and they'll also learn about cleaning and how to get ready for the second level of welding in this class.
Take money, money, take money, money, money. Money makes the world go round. I'm the talk around town. Remy gave me the sound. I need a Skrilla on the roof.